What if making a cinematic film shot no longer required cameras, crews, or editing software? What if all you needed was an idea and an AI studio that actually understands filmmaking? Today I'm testing one of the fastest growing AI video platforms right now, Higgsfield.
You see our culture from the outside, but to understand Russia, you must feel the winter, the history, the spirit of this place.
Welcome back. If you're into AI, future tech, or next-gen creativity, you're in the right place. Over the last year, AI image tools became impressive. AI video tools became chaotic. But now we're entering a new phase, AI filmmaking. And Higgsfield is positioning itself not just as another AI model, but as a creator-friendly video studio, a complete production pipeline in one place. Today we'll test how good the models really are, how much creative control you actually get, and whether this feels like the future of filmmaking. Higgsfield is an AI video platform that gives you access to multiple top-tier generation models inside one workspace. Instead of jumping between different websites and tools, everything lives in one environment. Inside Higgsfield, you'll find Nano Banana Pro for high-quality image generation, Kling 2.6 audio for video with built-in sound, WAN 2.5 for unrestricted cinematic motion, and their newest release, Cinema Studio, an end-to-end film workflow. The core idea is simple. Pick a model, describe a scene, and generate a film-like shot. If you can describe a scene, you can make a cinematic frame. Most AI video tools today still feel like slot machines. You type a prompt, hope for the best, and pray nothing melts or glitches. Higgsfield feels different because it's designed around real filmmaking logic. Framing, lenses, lighting, motion, pacing, even sound are treated as part of the process. Instead of just generating a random clip, you're directing a scene. Higgsfield isn't just another AI model. It feels like an AI film studio built for creators. If you're a YouTuber, filmmaker, storyteller, designer, or just exploring the future of content creation, this is one of the most complete AI video pipelines available right now. It gives you real creative control, consistent visuals, cinematic motion, and integrated audio, all from text prompts and guided workflows. Higgsfield also gives access to other engines in the same workspace and allows you to generate video with synchronized voice and ambient sound in one pass. No extra audio editing or external software needed. It also allows bolder prompts, stylized scenes, longer durations, and culture-native content. The key point is that all these models live under one platform. No tool hopping, no broken pipelines, just one creative environment from idea to output. Now comes the part that makes Higgsfield feel unique. Instead of exporting image and moving to another tool, I take that first frame directly into Cinema Studio's video workflow. Here I can choose camera type, lens profile, shot composition, motion style, and scene duration. I add a motion prompt. AI curator looks toward camera, subtle ambient atmosphere. I generate the video, and this is where it starts to feel like directing rather than gambling. The camera move is smooth. The lighting stays consistent. The character identity holds. The motion feels intentional. It looks like a shot designed by a cinematographer, not just a random animation. First, when you visit Higgsfield.ai, the sign-up process is very simple. On the top right corner of the website, you'll see the Sign Up button. When you click it, Higgsfield gives you multiple login options, but the easiest way is to continue with Google, and for video generation, and can produce smooth motion and high-quality visuals, which makes it perfect for this test. After selecting the Kling model, you'll see a prompt box where you describe your scene.
Analysis complete. Ready for your next command. Analysis complete. Ready for your next command. Analysis complete. Ready for your
Film still. Once the prompt is written, we simply hit enter to start the generation process. At this point, Higgsfield begins interpreting the prompt. The model analyzes the scene description, understands the lighting, composition, subject, and style, and then starts generating the visual output. Within moments, you'll see the result appear on screen. What's impressive here is that you're not just getting a random video, you're getting a scene that follows cinematic language with controlled lighting, depth, and composition. Before I started testing the models, I took a moment to understand why Higgsfield is getting so much attention in the AI creator space. Over the last year, dozens of AI video tools have appeared, but most of them feel experimental. They generate short clips, they glitch, and they don't give creators much control. Higgsfield is approaching the problem from a different angle. Instead of only building a model, they're building an entire creative environment. Their focus isn't just on what the AI can generate, but how creators actually want to work. That mindset shift is important because tools only become mainstream when they feel natural to use. One of the key ideas behind Higgsfield is giving creators real control over cinematic elements. Traditional filmmaking involves choosing cameras, lenses, framing, lighting, and motion. Most AI tools ignore these concepts and treat video generation like random animation. Higgsfield tries to bridge that gap. With tools like Cinema Studio, you're not just typing a prompt, you're defining how the scene should be shot. That's why the results feel more intentional and less chaotic. It's closer to directing than gambling. What excites me most is where this is heading. Right now, we're generating individual shots. But the moment AI tools can reliably generate consistent sequences, full scenes, and edited timelines, filmmaking becomes radically more accessible. Higgsfield feels like an early version of that future. It's not just a novelty generator. It's a glimpse at how creative production might work in the next few years. If you want to try Higgsfield, I've left the links in the description. And if you enjoyed this exploration of AI filmmaking tools, subscribe to AI LedgerX for more future tech and creator-focused content. The future of cinema might just be text to film. I'll see you in the next one.